What's up guys, it's me Jimmy. I this is a kitchen timer. So the link is in the description box below. I bought it from Amazon for around 15-16 US dollar. So let's get started. Here you can see you can use it as a countdown, even you can use it as a clock. It's have magnet repeat. So it's a waterproof. Okay. So let me see the time. The time is this one. If I wanna use the timer like 10 minutes, let's go timer 10 minutes. Start, stop, stop. Let me go to timer again. Okay, reset. I wanna start at 10 seconds, and then let's see how loud is the sound. I wanna see how long it's gonna play. So yeah, overall it's quite good to be honest with you. So yeah, I'm really liking for 15 bucks. You can put on your refrigerator. The magnet is quite small. The good thing is that I will be telling you why I bought it. You can use it on your refrigerator. How to take out the stand. Okay, yeah, the stand is here like this. The good thing it have a clock. It have a, basically I just bought it for timer. Then we go to timer, reset. Why I bought this one? Because I started taking Navy shower. If you're in a submarine, you cannot take like more than 5 minutes or 10 minute shower because you're in a submarine. So I'm just getting a call. I'm sorry, I just got a call. The reason I bought is that I want to take a Navy shower. The maximum I can spend in bathroom is 10 minutes. Why? Because I spend like 20 minutes, something like that. Sometimes just sitting for lost in thinking. I was born with a disability and disease where I just start, going into depression, blah blah blah. Plus, I want to save the water. Maximum 10-minute shower. I will try to cut my time to 5 minutes. It will take time. Before I was going to use this like big clock, which is too big. It's not waterproof. This one I'm just going to put on my geyser with a magnet, or maybe when I take shower, I'm going to take the maximum 10-minute shower and minimum I will target for 5 minutes. So yeah, the reason I bought this one is for Navy shower because it's waterproof. Or it's very tiny, the sound is very good. Even I can look while I'm taking shower. I wanna save the water. Plus I do not wanna waste my time doing shower. I don't wanna think like, because when you take shower you just wanna relax, you wanna sit down, relax, or you wanna stand up. You feel lost in your thinking. I'm changing my lifestyle. I'm trying to find a meaning of my life. That's why I bought this one. Time is money. To be honest with you, time is not money for me. Time is like pleasure. If you waste your time, the good time is gone. Now, even you can use in kitchen or whatever. Personally, I like it. It's quite beautiful. It's waterproof. I think this is one of the beautiful. It was me.